Hello, bienvenidos a la reunión internacional de inteligencia artificial y sus aplicaciones. On behalf of the entire RIIAA team, we'd like to extend a warm welcome to this special space. We are very excited to share that this year marks 3 years of RIIAA. RIIAA is a non-profit initiative that was started by a group of students and academics back in 2018.
Our mission is to strengthen and grow the AI ecosystems, both nationally and in Latin America. We do this in 2 ways. First, we foster the interaction between the private and the public sector and academia. And second, we reinforce the collaboration between groups working both locally and abroad. Our vision is to strengthen the AI ecosystem in Latin America, its communities, and allow it to solve problems with AI technology.
Before we jump into how you can fully experience RIIAA virtual, we want to take a moment to reflect. This year has been extraordinarily difficult for everyone. We started hopeful and we quickly found ourselves facing a pandemic that has impacted every single facet of our daily lives, our families, our communities. As you experience RIIAA over the next couple of days, we hope that you take a moment to really connect with this community. We are in this together and we are a force for change. We also want to use this opportunity to express our most sincere hope that all of you and your loved ones are safe and healthy.
These couple of days are going to be filled with technical talks, panels, and workshops from amazing researchers and contributors in the field. And yes, probably a few technical difficulties will emerge, but we'll get through this. And we will appreciate your patience in these difficult times. As you move through the conference, you're going to find many ways to engage. There's going to be a stage like this one, where you'll find all of the keynotes. There are sessions where you'll find talks and workshops. There's also a networking space where you can meet each other and connect with people from all over the world. And there's also going to be social events where you can exchange ideas with some like-minded people.
The past 2 days, we had our summer school, which included 25 workshops covering many topics and allowing students with different degrees of experience to get into the field or continue learning. If you didn't have the chance to register to the workshops of the summer school, we invite you to visit the RIIAA channel in YouTube in a couple of days in order to see the recordings that include fundamentals and the hands-on practice.
We invite you to join us in our first Women in AI panel with women leaders at Mexican institutions, Google Brain, Microsoft Research, the Inter-American Bank, Turing Institute, and more.
4 keynote talks will be occurring in the main stage and will be delivered by Mihaela van der Schaar, Lizette de la Prada, Margarita Sordo, and Sergey Levin. There will be 10 panels for specific AI topics to explore new developments and applications in computational biology and health, reinforcement learning, human-based AI, computer vision, science and engineering, social impact, neuroscience-inspired AI, NLP, and Latin American industry. You will be able to access these panels in the sessions section.
We have quite a few virtual networking events tailored to create interactions and social connections even in the current virtual environments. To start yesterday, we closed the day with a fun, I hope, event in which we surveyed the state of the art of AI and gathered the community, the Latin American community, with the purpose of building a collective map of AI. Its models, tasks, concepts, researchers, and more. We're excited about the future of this project. Make sure to reach us if you would like to help in this effort. And we believe it can actually become an important contribution from the Mexican and Latin American community to the world.
We will close this conference with community circles, or circos, which are self-organized open panels centered around a specific topic proposed by your own participants. For example, do you want to know about the impact of machine learning in health? Or what are the best practices to organize hackathons? Or maybe real-world examples of citizen science machine learning projects. Visit and participate in these panels to exchange ideas and find new allies.
We believe that communities are an essential part of the AI ecosystem. Therefore, on Friday's afternoon, we will host a panel with AI community builders to highlight the impact of regional organizations as promoters of AI learning and its responsible application to solve local problems. Please join us during this session to learn more about how to get involved and grow our local AI community. All the details for each keynote and panel are included in the schedule sent to your email at the RIIAA's webpage and the one here in Hopin. See you!
RIIAA would have also not been possible without our sponsors, Google, Synergia Sys in collaboration with IBM and NVIDIA, H2O.ai, the Computer Science Department of Northwestern University, Berkeley Artificial Intelligence Research Lab, Hadops, ITAM, Microsoft, and NDS Cognitive Labs.
We invite you to visit the sponsors' booths in the Expo section to know more about the company supporting this event, their mission, products, and their role in the Latin American AI ecosystem. We also want to thank our partners, Universidad Nacional Autónoma de México, Tecnológico de Monterrey, Consorcio en Inteligencia Artificial, and the Mexican Society in Artificial Intelligence.
To promote a more inclusive and respectful event, we invite you to read our Code of Conduct on RIIAA's website. The RIIAA team will be available to anyone who requires attention and support in case of harassment or any type of violence.
Don't forget to visit our communities page on RIIAA.org. If your community is not there yet, please don't hesitate to contact us to include it.
Also, in our page, you will find a tab for LATAM research groups focused on AI. This initiative looks to promote regional groups to enhance collaborations and have an easy point of information for students looking for labs.
If you are wondering where something might be located and you are not sure, hop over to reception and you will find a lot of information. We wish you all an amazing RIIAA conference. After this video, please head to the keynote talk by Mihaela van der Sar on AI and healthcare.
Finally, all RIIAA organizers have put a tremendous effort to make RIIAA happen, and it is an honor and a pleasure to have all of you here. We are excited to see the community growing, and most importantly, a big thanks to all of you watching us from home, who make up the AI ecosystem in Latin America. Thank you for making RIIAA grow, and especially thank you for making this community, the Latin American AI community, yours. Without further ado, welcome to the third international meeting on AI and its applications.
Thank you.